shall we sing? What shall we sing? What shall we sing today? What shall we sing today? What shall we sing? What shall we sing? Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. You can't go wrong with a song. Okay, now we're going to do something a little bit different, and it's in the theme of Ireland. So we're going to have a very quick quiz, and you only have a few seconds to find your answer. So what you're going to see is some of the most famous and successful Irish singers and bands of all time, and you have to guess who they are. So fingers on buzzers, let's go.
I've been a wild rover for many's the year, and I've spent all me money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more. I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay.
Okay, now we have a special treat for you. A song sung by a teacher, Mr. NIALL Deegan. And Niall is going to sing The Gambler by Kenny Rogers, and he used to sing this to his granddad when he was much younger. We do get a bit lost about halfway through, but we get there in the end. So thanks again for Niall for doing this for us, and I hope you enjoy it. Take it away, Mr. Deegan.
On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound to nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring at the window at the darkness. The boredom overtook us, so he began to speak. He said, son, I've made my life out of reading people's faces, knowing what the cards were, by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see you're out of aces. For a taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice. So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light. And the night got deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. He said, if you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. And every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away and knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best thing that you can hope for is to die in your sleep. Woo! You got to, when he finished speaking, he turned back toward the window, crushed out his cigarette, and the gambler, he broke even. But in his final words I found an ace that I could keep. You got to know when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting When the dealing's done, you got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting. When the dealing's done, you got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting. When the dealing's done. Thank you!
Thank you, no! Superb. Okay, in the spirit of NIALL, we're going to sing a famous Irish song called The Wild Rover. It has a chorus where people clap. So the chorus, first line of the chorus goes like this. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. So that's what I would like you to do, is clap. So I'll just do that once more time. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. And then the song continues. So there's about 3 or 4 verses with choruses, so you get plenty of opportunity to have a practice. I've been a wild rover for many a year. I spent all my money on whiskey and beer. Now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I went to an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Such customers as yours I could have any day. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. Never, no more. I took out me pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I will have whiskies and wines and the best. And the words that I told you were only in jest. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I'll go home to me parents, confess what I've done, and ask them to pardon their prodigal son. And when they've caressed me as oft times before, I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. Well, I hope you did lots of clapping, and I'm not playing the wild rover anymore. Thank you. I was far too old.
as well just get them started.
Have a great week, but now it's time to say cheerio. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. We've worked hard, had fun, tried our best, but it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
I am just a cowboy, lonesome on the trail. A starry night, a campfire light. The coyote call. The coyote call. And the howling winds will. So I ride out to the ocean down. Just a cowboy, lonesome on the trail. Lord, I'm just thinking about a certain female. And now you twist them together, right along the range. Living bad, it seems so strange. Roll me over, turn me around, let me keep spinning till I hear the ground. Roll me over and let me go. Ride me the rodeo. I was to be in Texas, didn't know a day. Lord, the southern girls seem the same. Down below the border, in a town in Mexico, I got a job, must have brought to the rodeo. Roll me over and turn me around, let me keep spinning till I hit the ground. Roll me over and let me go, riding with a buffalo. We need you making noise. Just roll me over, hey, and I'll turn around, and I'll move my fingers up and down. You still out out there. We need your clapping hands. It's okay, you can let yourself go. We'll be riding here with you, riding in the rodeo. Cowboys life. No, 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 no. It's the life for me.